everybody, and welcome back to Reborn Lover 101. You guys are the Reborn Lovers, and I am the Reborn Collector. Hey, everybody, welcome back to Reborn Lover 101. And in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my room because my room never, ever, I'm telling you, never gets this messy. It's just because I had a box for it in my room, and it took off my whole room, like my whole entire room. And then we took it down because I was just like so over it, and I just couldn't, like, craziness. And yeah, I just need to clean my room. So I thought I would take you guys along with me. Excuse me. So, yeah. Chloe and Shiloh are still in their Easter outfits. Sorry, I haven't uploaded my Easter video yet. It should be coming, or it might not come, because I haven't even filmed one yet. But if you want a late Easter video unboxing their Easter baskets, just comment down below. And I'll probably, if 5 people comment down below that they want to see that video, then I will do it. But yeah. I was watching a video, and I realized that one of their, they actually named, this little baby Chloe. Her name's Chloe, and they named her Abigail. And comment down below if she looks like an Abigail or Chloe. I kind of feel like she looks like an Abigail, but I like Chloe. Like, on camera, she looks so much different on camera than real life. Like, real life, she looks more, like, such more cuter. And she wears newborn size clothes, not preemie. Aw, you love touching my hair. Oh, you're looking at me. I haven't held her in so long like this. Anyways, let's get to this little montage of me cleaning.
everybody, so I just finished off my vanity, and it feels so nice to just be in my regular setup, which is a clean room. Oh my gosh, so fast motion. Okay, so I just finished cleaning up that vanity right there in the ground. Feels so nice to be in a clean room, which is my regular little area. And I'm going to be giving you guys a room tour real quick. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Just a quick overview. Okay, let's get to the room tour. So you just basically come walking right here. If you take a sharp turn, you will find this. It says these three pictures. The first one says by Liberty and Audrey. It says be holy because I am #holy, and I just love this one. Basically, I made it, but I just wanted to say by me and Audrey. So yeah, and then right here, it's just a mama koala and a baby koala. And then the dad koala is down there. And they're climbing up a tree to go get the leaves. And then there's a rainbow and it's raining. And then a little sun. And then this picture is just a regular girl. I don't really know. A girl, and then there's birds all around her. And then the grass I did really cool. And then you just open the door. And then right here you'll just find the picture of me when I was a little kid. Yeah, this is when I was in TK, and I love, not TK, preschool, and I loved my preschool that I went to, but it says Joy to the World, and that was, I think, around Christmas. And then if you come right here.
You doing a video?
Yes.
Oh, I messed it up, huh? Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, I just got interrupted by my dad. But anyways, if you come right here, you'll just see this. It is this just LA Colors lip balm. GEL lip balm. It is pink inside, so it stains your lips like pink, and it's really, really cool. I love it. And then in here is just where all my makeup is. If you want me to do a caboodle tour, I'll definitely want to do that. Right here is where all my makeup sponges are when people come over. I just use that because I love to do makeup on people, and they love to do it on me. I just have friends that love makeup, so we'll usually use that when my friends will come over. And then right here is just a bag of trash that I need to empty out, and then a bowl where I used to put my baby alive, like with Bess, but my baby alive left. She got adopted back from her mom because I was just babysitting her. But right here, this is new for you guys. So I'm not going to go into the nursery part of my room, but if you want me to do a separate video on my nursery tour, I'll definitely do that. And then we're just skipping over this because it's also part of the nursery. Right here, you just find this monkey. I got this like 7 years ago, and I just still have it here, and I think it looks so cute here. And then I just have my lights that are, give me a second. I just have my lights that are always here, and whatever. They're always here, and they'll always stay here. I don't really know why that's not here, but whatever. And then, then you'll just come over here. This is my bed. It is, I don't know where the sheets are from, but whatever. And then this is my initials, LAL. Comment down below what you think my middle and last name are. This is just a pillow, and that's a pillow, and this is a pillow. Don't need to know that. But if you come right here, usually you'll see Chloe just laying down. She's just wearing this
very cute onesie from, I think it's from Carter's. Yeah, it's from Cloud Island actually, and I just love this one. I think it looks so cute on her, and then she's wearing just a little bow. And then right here, you'll find this giraffe. Usually, this will be right there. And then just her little bear that she loves looking at and playing with. This is just a little husky. I love huskies so much, so I just have that there. And then it has a little diaper on her, has a pamper. And then right here, you'll usually see Shiloh. Sometimes she's taking her naps on her bed, but a lot of times she takes her naps here. And she's just wearing this for Easter. She always wears this on Easter. Well, this is her first Easter, but she's just wearing this little onesie with owl feet. And it's also from Cloud Island. And then this bunny that she's snuggling with smells like chocolate. Like the ears smell like chocolate, and it just smells so good. And then I did her hair half up, half down. Yeah. And then they're both laying on a pillow because I don't have like poppies or anything like that. But yeah, what you're stepping on right here would usually just be this rug mat. It's a huge tummy time blanket, and it just has these Olaf pictures on them. My grandma made this for me, like, oh my gosh, like 2 years ago. Anyways, that was my little mom. Then I just have two little bags right here that just don't belong here, but whatever. I have my Easter basket, which probably will be eaten in like 2 weeks. Whatever. And then right here, sorry. And then right here, I just have this toy car that I'm giving away. Then these are all my shoes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 pairs of shoes, 2 pairs flip-flops, 3 pairs of shoes, and then 2 pairs slippers. And then right here is also part of my baby area, and right here is also part of my baby area. So that's basically my room tour. And and then we have this huge mirror right here. I love this mirror. And then in here is just, you know, a complete disaster. So we don't need to show you guys that. But yeah, I forgot to show you one thing here. This is my vanity. It's never clean, you know. Your vanity is never always clean either. But 2 towels here, no reason. My fish, her name is Coral. Just a bucket list, has chargers in it. And then my grandma made this for me for Easter, a real egg, and it has like flowers around it, and I just think it's so cute. It's a real egg. She painted it. And then I also have Febreze right there, 2 buckets of slime, just my glasses, and yeah, this beta fish food for Coral, just an empty peach, my little poster, it says happy birthday, Liberty 8. I think this is when I was turning 8. And then right here I have 2 nail polishes and a full-on, you know, nail kit. It has a thing to get the dead skin off of your feet and just a ton of nail stuff that I got for Easter. And another one of these things, it has a little bird inside of it. Yeah, I think it's so cute. And then right there, it's just random stuff. And yeah, that was my room tour. Comment down below if you want to see my reborn room tour. It's in my room because I don't have an extra room in my house. I'm not rich, people, you know. I don't have an extra room. I don't have any of that jazz. Yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for joining in to Reborn Lover 101. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in another cool video. Bye guys. Peace out.